is a good look. Big
Pass be man, pass in a can't see ya. Keep up, pass in the mark, X-Park in a big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're gonna change the rear coilovers on the 535. We got them right here, but they are not set yet. But we're gonna do the rear coilovers, and guess what you're gonna have to do? You're gonna have to take out the back seat. I think from 2010 to like 2014, y'all gonna have to take the back seat out. But I think 2015 and 2016 the back seat could like fold in the f10s, but for this one you got to take the back seat out and take this piece off, the black piece that goes like right here where the speaker's at. So the bolt's gonna be like under the speaker right there. So that's what you're gonna have to take off when you're all trying to do the suspension on the 535. And as y'all see, I took off I jacked up the car, I should say. So right now I'm in the process of taking off the bolts. And it's kind of windy outside right now, but it is what it is. So as y'all see, they are out. I'm gonna stick right here for right now. So that's the rear, and the only thing I think y'all gonna have to like take off is this bolt right here for the strut. And there's 3 of them around here that I've shown y'all already. Those 3, they are 13, and I think that's gonna be it. When you take this one off, you're gonna like loosen the ones up top, and then y'all gonna push it off. So I'm gonna loosen this real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. Okay guys, so the bolt behind this one right here, it's gonna be a 21mm socket. Got it right here. So it's gonna be a 21. Let me see if it could focus. Yeah, right there. It's gonna be a 21. So I'm gonna try to pull it from right here. If not, I'm gonna have to like go under the car and try to use something and track it. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. And also, when y'all doing this, make sure y'all don't mess up the ABS line right there. It's easy to mess up because I messed up the front passenger side, and it caused like a lot of damn light in the dash. Make my shit look like a damn Christmas tree, man. But be careful. So I'm gonna try to pull this real quick, and then pick up back the camera. Okay guys, so I went ahead and used the drill before I cracked it. Then I went ahead and used the drill to like take it out all the way from beside the axle right there. I used the drill with the extension to like take out the bolt. So there it is. So all I'm gonna have to do is go up there right now and then take the 3 screws off. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I'm gonna use this, the right angle ratchet. So if y'all have this, it's gonna make your job way easier. So let's take it out, man. Okay guys, so when y'all taking out these, make sure y'all be careful, because the bolt could like go down between this. I already dropped one already, so I got one more to take off, and I'm using this to take it off. Let me see if I could show y'all. It's away in the corner, so I'm gonna have to do it like this. Okay, so I got this one off, but I'm gonna have to try to get the one that's down here. I got a magnet I'm gonna use, and there they are right there. But also I got a lot of these, so I ain't really tripping. I took that one off the Q50 off right there. It's almost the same thing. It fit just right. So we're gonna take off the strut right now. So let's see. I guess I'm gonna have to like step on this real quick, or I'm probably gonna have to pull the sway bar link right here. But I'm gonna try to see if I could do it without taking off the sway bar link. Okay guys, so I used my ratchet handle to like tap it a little bit. I think I did like 2 times, and it just drops right out without taking off the sway bar link right there. Easy as that, and it's out. Okay guys, so just like that, it's out without taking off the sway bar link right there. So now I'm gonna line it up real quick because I want to drop it like probably 1.5 inch. So that's how we're gonna line it up, and then we're gonna drop it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and lined these up because I'm gonna drop it like 1.5 inches. So that's why you see it like this. I probably gonna put it like probably up a little bit more, or I'll probably leave it like this. But that's how much we're taking off, 1.5 inches to 2 inch, and we use this to like set it. Okay guys, so I put back everything now. Everything is buttoned up. When y'all put in back the connectors, make sure you hear the click. So now we're gonna test fit it. Okay guys, so this is the height the back is on. So I'm gonna take it off back, and then I'm gonna drop it a little bit lower, and then I'm gonna pick up back the camera. Okay guys, so that's the height I wanted, a little bit over the tire. And remember, it's not settled yet, so, and also I'm gonna put a bigger tire on the back, so it's gonna fill out the space. So this height is good. I'm not gonna trouble it no more, so I'm gonna do the next side. So right now I'm on the passenger rear. I already did the driver side rear already, so I just spray some WD-40 on it. Same place again. Make sure y'all take this off so y'all don't fuck it up. So that's the only one to go right here right now. So I'm gonna try to pull it real quick and then pick up by the camera. Okay guys, so I pulled the top bolt already, and be careful, y'all could see the fuel line right there. But I'm gonna show y'all what I did with the first one. So I used the ratchet and then tap it like this, like that, and it will fall out. And remember to remove this connector off the brakes so it won't get in the way, and just take it out from there. Okay guys, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just putting the bolt in like probably halfway, so I could like use the jack and jack this up, so I could catch the holes in the top from inside the car, like how I did the other one. So I'm gonna try to like catch it first, and then I'm gonna set it. Okay guys, so I catch the top already, so I'm gonna test fit the wheel and see how it would look on it. Then I'm gonna take it off back and then tighten up everything, put back the connector for the brakes, so y'all wouldn't would not get any light in the dash. So I'm gonna do that real quick. All right guys, so raise it up back a little bit, just like this as the other side, and I also catch back all the bolts right there. So when y'all putting it back, make sure y'all put it back just like how y'all take it out. But I'm gonna tighten the wheel real quick and then I'm gonna put it on the floor, or I'm gonna put it on the floor first, then tighten the wheel. Okay guys, so just like that, this side is finished. Y'all could see the difference from the OEM one. Let me show y'all this side. See, way better fitment than the OEM. So make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.